Imagine being able to own a small piece of a company before it becomes the next big thing. That's exactly why investors get excited when they hear the next big thing. Recently, there has been growing speculation about Elon Musk potentially taking one of his companies public. Whether it's SpaceX, XAI, or another valuable venture, the idea has sparked conversations across the financial world. But what exactly is an IPO, and why should ordinary people care? What is an IPO? IPO stands for Initial Public Offering. This is the process where a private company offers its shares to the public for the first time through a stock exchange. Think of it this way. Before an IPO, ownership is usually limited to founders, employees, venture capital firms. After an
early
IPO,
investors.
anyone with a brokerage account can potentially buy shares and become a part owner of the company. It's like a successful local business opening its doors to investors around the world. The company gains access to large amounts of capital, while investors gain an opportunity to participate in the company's future growth. So why would a company decide to go public? There are several reasons. First, they can raise billions of dollars to expand operations, develop new products, or enter new markets. Second, existing investors and early employees can convert some of their ownership into cash. Third, becoming publicly traded often increases a company's visibility and credibility in the market. For a company associated with Elon Musk, an IPO could generate enormous investor interest because of his track record with innovation and disruptive industries. However, going public doesn't automatically guarantee success. Once listed, a company faces greater scrutiny from regulators, investors, and the public. Now let's talk about why this matters to you. An IPO gives investors a chance to buy into a company's growth story. Many people dream of investing early in companies that later become industry giants. But here's something important to understand. Not every IPO becomes a success. Some companies soar after listing, while others struggle and lose value. That's why smart investors don't buy simply because a famous name is attached to a company. Instead, they ask questions like, is the company profitable? Does it have a strong business model? What are the growth prospects? Is the valuation reasonable? When investing, excitement should never replace research. The goal is not to chase hype. The goal is to make informed financial decisions. Whether Elon Musk launches an IPO tomorrow or years from now, the bigger lesson remains the same. Financial opportunities often come to people who understand how markets work. The more you learn about stocks, investing, and business fundamentals, the better positioned you'll be to identify opportunities when they appear. Knowledge is one of the most valuable assets an investor can have. So what do you think? Would you invest in an Elon Musk-led company if it went public? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown of finance, investing, and wealth-building concepts, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy-to-understand financial content.